If you want to come along for a camping adventure, along with a bunch of photos using my trusty Nikon D3400, then stay tuned. This video is for you. It's been a while since I've created my last video, and that's because I've been doing a lot of work and it's been busy. So I got up this morning, very last minute, and decided to come out to the back country. This gives me an opportunity to relax and unwind and just detox from all the technology the world has to offer. On the way out the door, I decided to grab my camera equipment. Thought I'd bring you along for the ride to see if you'd like to unwind and relax with me. Right here is the trusty Nikon D3400. Again, this body is nothing special. I've got this thing beat up pretty good here. The battery door is broken off. It's got some scratches and scuffs on it, but it just continues to work. Now I have the 18-55 kit lens on it, and I believe I have the 70-300 with me. Not so sure I'll use that. Like I do in my other videos, I'm going to be shooting in RAW, and more often than not, I'll probably stay in aperture priority. I may go into manual mode. It just depends on the scene and what I want to shoot. And I'm also going to include all that metadata in the upper corner of each image as this video goes on. The idea behind that is it lets you know what the settings were to capture that given shot. So maybe that'll help you out. Now I also have my trusty Teton 4000 Explorer. This is the backpack right here. I featured this in another video as well, and I talked about what I've put in it, but I've got it pretty well loaded. I got a hatchet right here, my tent, tarp, sleeping bag, all that good stuff. So I've got a pretty long hike in front of me. I'm expecting, I don't know, 5 or 6 miles in front of me, and I'm hoping to get there before it gets dark. So let's go ahead. I'm going to shut this down. We're going to get moving. And again, I'm going to try to grab some shots. I don't know how many I'm going to get, but again, it's not so much about that as it is about just relaxing and unwinding. So I invite you, take a step back and just relax from your life. Enjoy this video, and let's go have some fun.
Get the best of us. Life is hard till we're all supernovas now. Almost like she was testing us with nothing left to lose. She said things that we couldn't believe. Falling leaves from the trees, we can't breathe at all. And it's cramping my style.
I finally made it out here. That was a long hike getting here, and I definitely sweat a bit on that one, so I had to hydrate, and then took some time, and I chopped up quite a bit of wood here, so I'm ready for my fire. And of course I got my tent set up now, so that's always good. And the sun is definitely down now. It's just starting to crest on the horizon out there. I might see if I can take just a few shots here. I'm not sure what I'm going to get, if anything, but I am going to get up early in the morning and see if we can capture some of the sunrise and just the beauty of what this land has to offer.
My world, my God, if I'm gonna make it, then it's time that I speak my mind. You can't take that away. Wait, so you gonna use me now? Well, you're a motherfucker. Take this, take that, I can take it. But I might just lose my mind on my shirt anyway. And if it all came crashing down, just know that it won't bring me down. Well, put me on the front lines as you're sitting on the sidelines. Don't think you can play with my mind, 'cause that's all mine. While you slip inside y'all push out. Go on, push out. Take this, make that if you wanna make it. Now it's time that I speak my mind. You can't take that away. And if it all came crashing down, just know that it comes back around. Well, put me on the front lines as you're sitting on the sidelines. Don't think you can play with my mind, 'cause that's all mine. While you're slipping sideways, well, I've been making my way. Don't think I'ma waste no more time, 'cause that's all mine. 'Cause y'all push out a little push out. Go on, push out. Put me on the front lines, well, as you're sitting on the sidelines. Don't think you can play with my mind, 'cause that's all mine. While you're slipping sideways, I've been making my way. Don't think I'll waste no more time, 'cause that's all mine. Play with my mind.
Yeah, we gon' be alright. Find a different remedy, them toxins make you change. Rest in peace to Richie, shit'll never be the same. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. Yeah, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. Yeah, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. I think it's time I smoke, it's been a hella long day. I've been busy searching, trying to find a better way. Slowly on my homies, either dead or in the cage. Rest in peace to Richie, shit'll never be the same. No spirit with me, that shit really ease the pain. If you can't relate, this to you I dedicate. Just to remember there gon' always be some better days. Gotta keep your head up, you can get through anything. Yeah, I know it's shitty, but I swear it's just a phase. You can take down anything, bitch, that's TDA. Sipping on this whiskey and it really numb my brain. Find a different remedy, them toxins make you change. Find a different remedy, them toxins make you change. Find a different remedy, them toxins make you change. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. Yeah, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. Yeah, we gon' be alright. Yeah, you know it's all good, we gon' be alright. Love and miss you, bro. Yeah, we gon' be alright.
It's time for me to head back home. I'm coming off a relatively long night and day. That was a long hike to the campsite, and I had a loaded down pack. I didn't sleep real well, and I got up super early to capture that sunrise. That was what I was really heading out there to do, and I think I've got some really good shots. Although I'm not 100% sure until I get back and do a little bit of post-processing. But when this video comes out, obviously we'll find out together. So hopefully those shots are decent. And keeping in mind, I did all that with this camera right here, just the basic Nikon D3400 body with the standard 18-55 kit lens. Now I want to talk about something pretty serious, and that is safety. Whenever you come to a part of the country like this right here, just keep in mind, you don't have to get all the way up to the edge of whatever the cliff is or the ridge is to grab a certain shot or to try to take it all in. Just don't do that. Keep yourself back and be safe. I was thinking about a story that I heard just a few months ago about a student at the University of Kentucky, and I believe she was a med student. She came out here and unfortunately took a fall and didn't make it back. And that was on my mind when I was out here and I was, approaching some of these cliffs, and I thought, stay back, stay back, stay back. So I really want to emphasize that to you. Always, always be safe. And if you camp out overnight, let somebody know where you're going to be. Let them know when you expect to be back and keep them in the loop. Always remember that. Now I'm going to do something a little different as well. I'm going to try TikTok. Now I haven't done it before, but those videos are really short, and I'm thinking I might be able to provide some just kind of quick hits when I have the time. So if you want to follow me over there, check the description below and I'll post a link. Likewise, I'm going to also post a link to my Instagram account, so if you're not following me there, go ahead and do so. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. It's called Real World. More often than not, I post videos about photography and technology, but you never know. So until the next video, take care of yourself and be safe.